Waiting for a Blue Dart package? In this quick guide, I'll show you the different ways to track your Blue Dart shipment using your tracking number, AWB number, reference number, or order number. Before you start, make sure you have your Blue Dart waybill number, or AWB number. You can usually find it on your shipping receipt, order confirmation, SMS, email, or shipping label. The first option is Ship24. Go to Ship24, enter your Blue Dart tracking number in the search field, and then click on the search button. Ship24 will show the latest available tracking status, shipment progress, and delivery updates for your Blue Dart package. You can also track up to 10 Blue Dart shipments at the same time. This is useful if you are checking several orders. Another option is the official Blue Dart tracking page. Go to Blue Dart's TrackDart tool and select Waybill if you have a waybill or AWB number. Enter your tracking number, type the caption number, then click Go to view the latest shipment status. If you have multiple waybill numbers, separate them with commas. If your shipment is linked to a reference number or order number, select Ref number instead. Enter the reference or order number, type in the caption number, then click Go. If your reference number does not work, check whether the sender also gave you a waybill or AWB number. In many cases, the AWB number gives the most direct tracking result. You can also track with the MobileDart app. The app lets you track shipments, scan an AWB or barcode, find Blue Dart locations, check service options, and contact Blue Dart. Blue Dart also supports SMS tracking through MobileDart. For current status, send T, followed by a space and your waybill number, to 56767. You can also track by email. Send your waybill number to track@bluedart.com. For reference or order number tracking, send the number to trackref@bluedart.com. If you do not have a tracking number, contact the seller, sender, or merchant. Once your package has been handed to Blue Dart, they should be able to share the waybill, AWB, reference number, or order number. And that's it. The quickest way to track your Blue Dart package is to enter your tracking number on Ship24 or use Blue Dart's official tracking options. Check your status regularly for the latest available delivery update. Visit ship24.com for more tracking guides.